Hi, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix OTG or USB not supporting in your Samsung Galaxy A16 device. First of all, go to your phone settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on About Phone. We have to enable developer options, so tap on software information here and tap on build number for 7 times. Now verify your phone lock and the developer options will be enabled. Now again open your settings app. In settings app, scroll down all the way to the bottom and now tap on developer options. In here, scroll down. Under debugging section, you will find here USB debugging. So first of all, we have to enable this USB debugging option. Now scroll down and under networking section, here if you scroll down, then you will find this option, default USB configuration. Just tap on that. And here you must have to select this option, transferring files. Once done, simply restart your device, and after restarting, go ahead and connect the OTG or USB in your phone, and then you will see the problem has been fixed. You can easily use your OTG or USB in your phone. Thanks for watching.